ball just moving away a bit too much. A false start for Harishankar. Widest delivery, but gone! Straight to point. Dhaneshwar cannot believe his luck. He'll need all of this contest.
So much width. It was hard to control. He didn't go with the full-blooded drive. He didn't try to go over the top. He just kind of pushed at it and ends up finding Abhishek Reddy. Good low catch. Does well to hold on to it. And he walks back in disbelief.
Oh, down the leg side. Harishankar. This time much better. Pushes that one is looking for the second. Good running there. Good commitment. For a world of good. Appeal, appeal. The umpire has not moved. All eyes now on the skipper.
Moving the ball in the air and catching the left-hander right in front of his stumps. The swing doing him in. Flat line as it passed the bat on sound sense. And right on target. He's had a couple of wayward deliveries, 2 wides. It almost feels like he's setting the batters up. He bowled the wide.
And with a slip in place now. Oh, testing the batter. Challenge. Chasing for that one. One more wide. It's now setting up for one more wicket in this over. Oh, testing. Oh, stepping out. Widest delivery, but gone! Straight to point. Dhaneshwar cannot believe his luck. A world of good. Appeal, appeal. The umpire has not moved.
Looks like.
Nice shot there, but is it gone to the fielder? Yes! Manish, the is keen on a single. Confusion, chaos. Oh, this is disaster. Absolute disaster.
And this time, it did not work for Gutta Rohit, but it did.
Catch. Full shot, easy catch, as easy as it.
Looks for an aggressive option. Long on interested and safely pouched. Someone with Gade in the. Bowled him. It was the slower delivery here from Pininti Tapaswi.
Slower delivery, cries of catch it. This should be taken, and it has been pouched by Sai Teja Reddy. Harishankar has been riven. Impression here. He wants the strike. Stephen has to run quickly. A direct hit at the bowler's end, and he could be struggling, and I believe.
Nicely done there. That's the first.
Well, too.
Yeah, Arjun Tendulkar. Back of his mind. Yes, played that nicely. That's again the same area. We'll get a boundary there. Smashes that on the leg side. Straight down the ground. Already in this over, last delivery. Over the infield, will get a boundary. That brings up the 50. Back-to-back boundaries for Arjun Tendulkar. It's 53 for no loss after 5. Nicely done there. That's the first. Will get a boundary there. Smashes that on the leg side.
Nicely played in the gap. Work to do for the field. Yeah, he's picked it up. That's in the.
Goes straight down the ground. And strokes it down the ground, and that brings up his 50. Abhishek Reddy continues his good form in the GMR APL 2026. An important knock.
Change in pace, up in the air. Who's going for it? Long off. Oh, he's holding on to it. Yes! You caught. Just lost his patience there.
Vinaysi bowled, very smart bowling. Change of pace, slow delivery, and look at that. At the end, holds on to it. Nearly popped it out. Yeah, just went for the reverse cup. Again, a lot of times we've seen the players taking a catch there.
Is that it? Yes, it is! What a way to finish this knock! What a way to finish this innings! Manish finally coming to the party and showing his dugout. This is how it's done, and Samanvit also letting them know that he's still around. Winning by 4 wickets and with 6 balls to spare. Kakinada Kings continue their seesaw. Yes! Over the point region. Is that it? Yes, it is! What a way to finish this knock! What a way to finish this innings! Manish up in the air, mid-on, under it. Yes, that's taken. Abhinav's been snapped up. Sunshiners and Madila Harsha Reddy is here because of this that happened to Abhinav.
They were not good as far as fielding is concerned. Thank God they did not commit Arakiri here, because that would have provided to be very costly for them.
Picks that up. It's gone high. Difficult opportunity and an incredible running catch, running backwards from Yedla Vasu. Another stunner from him. We've seen something like this in the past, maybe 1983, Abhishek.
Yeah, absolutely. But look at that for a grab. Never easy when you're running backward. Yeah, he didn't time it. The ball came at the toe end of the bat. But that effort, yeah, you need something like that to get rid of Ashwin Hebbar, because he's made a point not to get out. A couple of hundreds this tournament, over 500 runs. And then, I don't know about your viewpoint on those chits.
Played into space. And takes it straight down the...
Disappointed.
That's a good hit. Great use of his... Inside out, he's picking his spot. Cracking hit. That's over, long gone, and what a way to bring up your half century. DB Prashant has played with a lot of maturity this afternoon, and he brings up his first half century this season, and it couldn't have come at a better time. Measured intent and matured approach by him.
He's taking upon himself.
Thank you very much, says Zahir Abbas. This time once again. One more display of power from Zahir Abbas. Third maximum in that over.
Put them in a position of strength. He was sublime once again. 7 sixes and 1 4 in that innings of 53. And he remained unconquered at a strike rate of 265. He used the depth of the crease beautifully, moved nicely, and he brought in a lot of power in all those hits. See ball, hit ball was the concept for him. And there again, he came out with his trademark celebration after getting to his second 50 in.
Thank you. This time once again. One more display of round the wicket and wide, but straight down the ground. This time long on. In the slot this time. The long off fielder will watch once again. That's his 50. That's one.
Remaining overs. Oh, that's out. That is gone. Very well bowled. Saw him dancing down the track. Very smart bowling. He saw him dancing down the track, just pulled his length back, bowled a heavy ball. Again, among the wickets.
Going to help you.
This time in the slot. And oh, very well done there. Very well done. Abhinav, very, very clear in his thinking there. The umpires will have a look at it, but it looks like he's done a good job.
Great awareness.